7 work from home jobs with no startup cost. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. How you can get started to work from home with no startup fee. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis, and make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into these 7 work from home jobs here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, working from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection only, you should definitely have a look at my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But all of these 7 opportunities that I'm going to share with you here today are definitely a good way to get started to make some extra money online while you build a real sustainable online business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first opportunity that you can get started with to work from home with no startup cost is actually become a tutor. And the first site I'm going to share with you here today is aim4a.com. aim4a.com, you can quickly see here tutors and e-tutors wanted. So basically I'm not going to go into details here, but I want you to have a look at it at your own pace. So don't limit yourself that it's only teaching English or something like that. There is a lot of other tutor jobs that you can apply for online. Just type in what you are good at and type in plus tutor in Google, and I can guarantee that you will probably find a site that you can apply for to become an online tutor there. Another site is Brainfuse. Brainfuse.com has a lot of tutor opportunities here also, so make sure you have a look at brainfuse.com. And this is also a site that I shared in the past, VIP Kid Teachers, .com, where you can see you can actually earn up to $22 per hour, which is not bad at all, by just teaching English online. Okay, so have a look at the details here for yourself, vipkidteachers.com. Alright, let's move on to the next work from home job, and that is to become a transcriber. It's not only transcribing videos, but it can actually be, as you can see here, on quickdate.com. This is the site that I'm going to share with you. And you can see here you can actually transcribe to-do lists, legal notes, field notes, general reports, and a lot more. So Quickdate, have a look at that. It's definitely a good site to get started with. Or just to give you another quick example is transcribeme.com, where you transcribe audio, of course. So if we just go here and to the right section where it says join as a transcriptionist, you will see that you can this is a top rated best work from home site. So they offer you anywhere from $15 up to $22 per audio hour, and you can see here that there is top monthly earnings at $2,200. Okay, while I probably don't think that you can come up to this amount here, you can see our average monthly earnings are $250. Basically, this is a very simple job to get started with because you need a good pair of headphones, a foot pedal, which is not necessary but it will help you, and then of course you can get started with typing there. So it is super easy, and there is a lot of other sites. I just showed you 2 here, but if you just type transcribing, you will definitely find a lot of other sites there, and a few more that I'm gonna share later on here also. Alright, let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to become any kind of virtual assistant. You can apply for a call center, call job actually, working from home. Here is a site that I found, smith.ai/careers. You can see here it allows you to earn income and grow your career from the comfort and convenience of your home, all while helping small businesses thrive. So a lot of businesses, they come to this site, they need help, and that is where you come in. You work remotely with a team of receptionists operating around the country to answer calls and web chats on behalf of businesses. So have a look at it, smith.ai/careers. Another site that I usually also recommend is actually virtual assistant jobs, and that is because they have any kind of virtual assistant jobs. You just type with your keywords here, or you can choose a category. So if we just go to let's say customer service here, you can see that there is 224 matching records here. Anything from flexible, full-time, you can see here they pay executive assistants from $15 to $18 per hour. Virtual administrative assistant, full-time flex, $17 to $20 per hour. So I mean, you have so many options here that you can apply for. Okay, and of course, if you don't want to hassle with customer service, you can actually try something else here. Okay, editing and proofreading, for example. You can see here the search for email agents, flexible, anywhere in the world. So this is worldwide opportunity, and they pay you anywhere from $13 to $17 per hour. So I mean, you have so many opportunities that you can apply for here. virtualassistantjobs.com. Let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to become a rapid worker or a micro worker. You can do any kind of micro tasks, and I'm just going to show you rapid workers here today. I mean, you can get 10 cents for voting a YouTube video here. If you follow someone on Twitter, 12 cents. And this goes super fast. It takes you less than a minute to do this kind of jobs, and you make 10 cents. So if you make a lot of these, you can definitely make a pretty good amount per day there. And of course, you will apply for more than just rapid workers. So it takes time. You won't get rich. That is why I always also recommend my #1 recommendation right here below. But it's definitely a good way to get started to make some money online. It's all about taking the action and actually move on here. Another site is clickworker.com. Here is also a lot of opportunities that you can apply for. Any kind of virtual assistant job, I would say, but most of creation of texts here, data categorization, copy editing, proofreading, web research, surveys, mystery photographers and app testing, and there is some audio and video jobs here also. So a lot of opportunities here. Just go to clickworker.com, have a look at the details, and sign up. It's totally free. They do have their app also available both on App Store and Google Play there. Alright, let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to become a writer. If you think you are good at writing, you should definitely go to a site like textbroker.com. You can see here I write content, payment. It can be, let's say for example that you are a fitness expert, you can write in the fitness niche, for example. And you can see here that it depends on the quality. You have to get started somewhere, so you will probably make the lower amount here. But when you become a professional here and you get a good reputation, you can make 1 cent per word and so on there. So for a 2-star ratings, 1,000-word article, you can make $7. Okay, so it's pretty much the standard. Of course, if you are an expert in your field, you will definitely make much more. So if you become a 5-star writer here, you can see that you can make actually $50 per 1,000-word articles. Okay, and they will pay you that amount, because if you are good in your niche, let's say fitness, as I said earlier, you will definitely make this amount of money there. You can also go to a site like iWriter.com, another popular site. pretty similar actually. Just go to iWriter.com and have a look at the details there. Let's move on to the next opportunity, and that is to become any kind of a freelancer. It totally depends on you and your knowledge and your skills there. But you can definitely go here, you can browse for jobs. So people are posting jobs, they want to have them, and you can do it by keyword actually. So a quick job, a quick example would be, let's see here, data entry. You can see that there is people that are looking for copywriter, data entry, create, duplicate products, upload images, calculate price, and you can make $134 for this project. Now, while there is 82 bids, what you need to do here is bid lower than anyone else. And that is how you get started, you get good reputation, and then they will hire you more and more, of course, because if you do a good job and have a good reputation, they might pay a bit more also for you to do the data entry jobs there. Okay, so as I said, it totally depends on your knowledge there. Another site is upwork.com, and probably one of the most popular site would be also Fiverr.com there, where you can apply for also any kind of virtual assistant job. You can apply for data entry jobs, any kind of freelance jobs actually. There is also another site, they pay you per hour, and that is People Per Hour. Alright, let's move on to the final opportunity, and that is to take a survey. You can do this really quick. You can just go to surveysonthego.com, and you can see here this is an app available for both App Store and Google Play. So what you do is you sign up for an account, download the app, and you get paid cash. And there is a lot of opportunities here taking surveys. You can see I got $10.45 here. I successfully got money from a reward app. And you can see here $10 surveys to try new products, 3 in the last 2 weeks, love them, and so on. And to give you another site here pretty similar is actually swagbucks.com. Very popular site. You can see here it has been seen on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, The Penny Hoarder, ABC, The Huffington Post. And how it works is you earn points and you get free gift cards. Probably PayPal would be the preferred option here. Okay, so if we have a look at how it works section, let me just show you real quick. We reward our members with free gift cards or cash for the everyday things they already do online. So that is by shopping, watching entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deal to earn points. And you get free gift cards here, of course. So that is also another opportunity that you can make some money online there. Alright, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with these opportunities. They are perfect to get started with, to work from home. If you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a look at my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure you smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine. Make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.